Hey, I'm Ryan with DIY Painting Tips, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Titan ControlMax 1900 Pro. It's an entry-level contractor-grade airless paint sprayer, and I got to check it out and spray my home with it. I'll tell you right now, it's a pretty nice sprayer that you can absolutely start and build your business around. So let's dive in and take a look. Let's start off by just a few things you want to look for when you're looking for your first sprayer for your painting contracting business. The first one would be how many gallons per year is the paint sprayer rated for? The 1900 Pro is rated for 500 gallons. And just for reference, like one-story home, my home I just did, took about 7 to 8 gallons of paint. So you're looking at a home a week pretty easy on small exteriors. Painting a whole interior, if you're doing new construction, you could be looking at roughly 20, 30 gallons by the time you do the ceilings, the walls, prime everything. So 500 gallons is enough for your light duty painting contractors. If you're getting into anything commercial where you're going to be spraying all day, you're going to go up into that 1,000 gallon a year range plus really quickly. And it's not saying that the 1900 Pro can't do that. It's just saying that is Titan's recommendation. This is for that contractor doing roughly 500 gallons a year. So the next thing I look for when looking at a sprayer would be the max tip size. The max tip size is the 0.019 inch orifice, which actually allows a lot of paint out. To be honest with you, what I usually spray with is the 0.015. That's kind of my all-around do-it-all tip size. I can spray exteriors with it. I can spray ceilings with it. I can spray new drywall with it. The only time I change from that is if I'm doing a large production, like a commercial job, and I'm spraying ceilings, or let's say I've got someone rolling behind me and I just want to be going very fast. I'm going to go up to like a 19 or a 21 or something like that because I have to stay ahead of them. Then we're talking about large projects that you're probably looking for a bigger sprayer for anyway. The other times I'm changing tip size is when I'm going down. Say I'm painting cabinets. You can absolutely spray kitchen cabinets with this, but you're probably going to go down to a 0.011 inch orifice and do like a 411 tip size, meaning like an 8-inch spray fan that's coming out nice and light, not too much paint. If you use something bigger like the 15 or the 19, you're going to get too much paint on your cabinets. So you want the tip size to match the project you're doing. And the 1900 Pro can pretty much do all your basic projects without any issues. So basically you get a high boy version of these Wagner pumps, 1800 PSI. And what the extra power really does that I like compared to some of the smaller sprayers you've seen in some of my videos is allow me for more hose length. 50-foot hose. I believe a lot of those Wagners come with a 25-foot hose. We have one paint filter you can see right down here. That replaceable fluid section for maximizing sprayer life. Telescoping handle, that's kind of nice. The hose wrap right on here. We like that. Tool storage up on top. I got these little lids to put on here yet. Let's fire this up. And I got the garage to paint today. So we'll test it out, see what we think. Just tightening things up before we get painting. Don't forget to do that or you're gonna get paint splattering everywhere. So to wrap things up, the Titan 1900 Pro is a great value at $450. This paint sprayer can do everything you need it to do, from painting exteriors to kitchen cabinets, and it's going to handle most small painting contractors' needs. The only things I would like to see is a filter in the gun, maybe improved gun. You can always buy those separate, get something a little bit better on here. But other than that, I had no issues with the sprayer, and I thought it was Absolutely fantastic, and I enjoyed using it. Well, thanks for watching, and for more painting videos like this and tutorials on everything to do with house painting, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see how I painted a $4,000 kitchen with a $200 paint sprayer, make sure to check out this video here.